Okay, this example that you're looking at is pretty much the same one we had a few videos ago, where we were coloring in the cells that were duplicates. In other words, we're using conditional format to, in essence, color this in because they were duplicates, and so on and so forth. Now, what we want to do here is something similar, but where we want to select the whole row. We want to have that whole row be colored in, not just the badge number. So we have to use a formula to make this happen. So I want to show you how to do this. So what we're going to first of all do is we're going to select from A2 here. We'll go all the way across, and we'll go down. It's not too far down there, so we go. All right. Next, we'll click on to conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula. Now, it's not too long. It's a pretty simple one. But we're going to use the count if function. So we're going to do equal COUNTIF, and we're going to do a left parenthesis. And we're going to need to go ahead and select again that whole range, just like that. And that's all absolute. It comes out that way, and that's what we want. And then we're going to do a comma, and then we're going to reference the first cell that it's going to be looking at to see if there are duplicates. It's going to work its way down. Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll click on to that, B2, and then we'll hit our F4 key 1 time, 2 times to get it so where the dollar symbol is just on the B. All right. And then once we've done that, we'll close this off, and then we're going to say greater than 1. All right. So it means kind of like looking for duplicates. So it's going to look for anything where each of these numbers, it'll look for throughout the rest of the numbers to see if there's at least one more duplicate. And if there is, then, or one more of it, which means it's a duplicate, then it's going to mark that or tag that as a duplicate and color it in. So that's all you have to do there. Now we'll go ahead and we'll pick the formatting that we want. So we'll go to fill here. Maybe we'll pick kind of a lighter green there. We'll hit OK. And then hit OK again. And there we go. Pretty cool. Now I've got one more that's related to this. And that is when you look at what we've just gotten done here doing, we have like a 69,800 here, 69,800 there, 69,800 there, and I think that's about another 69,800. What we're going to do with this one, this next one we're doing, we're going to make it so where when the duplicates occur and they get highlighted, that the first of the many duplicates that there are will not be highlighted. So the first one that has a number that's been duplicated amongst other, let's say, reps or employers or whatever these are, that first number won't be highlighted, so therefore the rest of them will, and those would be the ones that we'd have to change to some other number that wasn't a duplicate. But it'll just kind of keep it from getting, well, I guess what it is, it'll make it so where the first person that has a number that's a duplicate will be able to keep their number, but everybody else will have to change theirs. Is that a big deal? I don't think so. Is this something that would be important for people to have? Maybe. So I'm just going to show it to you. See if you like it, that's great. If you don't worry about it. Don't use it. All right, so what we'll do is we'll go over to the other sheet here. We will select the area because we want all of this to be formatted. All right, and then we'll go back into conditional formatting. We'll go over here to new rule, use a formula, and there we go. Okay, so we're going to type, that's the same first part of it. So we're going to type in equal, and we'll type in COUNTIF, and then left parenthesis. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. What we're going to do is we're going to click on to B2. Now that's going to come in fully absolute. That's what we want. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put a colon in there. Now it's going to give us B2 again, And what we're going to do there is we're going to hit that F4 key a couple times. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to type this in. It's not going to go in very well here. So I'm just going to do a $symbol B, $2, and then a colon. All right. And then a $symbol B2. All right. And then we're going to do a comma. And then another $symbol B2. Close it off. Put a greater than symbol and a 1. All right, and that's it. So a little bit different, but not much. And then we'll go ahead and hit the format. We'll go with maybe blue this time. And then once we've done that, we'll hit OK. And then hit OK. And there we go. So there it is. So what will happen as we're doing this, we'll say, okay, now I'm going to go and change this one maybe to 75,000. Enter that in. Of course, now the highlight goes away, and it just keeps on working through it. So you would just work your way down, change the numbers, and be done with it. So kind of interesting. I don't know if it's, again, if it's that important, but it is something that you might find to be useful. So hopefully you like the video. Take care.